Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is Chronically Crafty. If you haven't been here before, welcome, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing video that I've got for you. This is the Hayley Jane box. I believe I ordered the luxury box and it's the first time that I've ever ordered the Hayley Jane box. So let's take a look together. I haven't had any sneak peeks or anything, so we'll have a look and see what we've got. I've got my sewing table down here, so excuse me while I turn away. So it comes wrapped in yellow tissue paper, and from the sneak peek I can see of the fabric, it looks really lovely. Right, take the tissue paper off. So we have got this lovely, I believe, cotton fabric. It's lovely and soft, and it'll make a lovely, I think it'll make a lovely Marnie dress, which is what I'm making here, is the Marnie dress. So we've got some fabric. We've got a bubble tea sheet mask. We have got, what have we got in this bag? Pink and white bag like these. We've got some tailor's chalk. Lovely. Oh, we've got a little packet of toasted marshmallow flavoured popcorn, some Gutterman thread in black. Oh, that's a pretty skirt. I've got this pattern, which is Lisa Lies Taylor. La Jupe, oh, the lover skirt it's called. So I guess you're getting, what size does it go up to? Hip. Where's it in inches? That's in centimetres. Hasn't got it in it. Oh, hang on, yes it has got it in it. Oh, it just tells you the amounts. It goes up to 132 in hip measurement, waist 109. I don't know what my measurements are in centimetres, but that's the pattern, and it's put a bit closer. It's a lovely skirt, and it'll look lovely in that fabric as well. And then we've got some lovely heart fabric that will make, I think this is a cotton as well. It's a stiffer cotton, it's not as soft. That's lovely as well. I'll make a nice bag or something. And then we have also got the, oh, hello Bella. There you go, you sit in the box then, Bella. Got a little booklet, and I should have put my glasses on. I did bring my glasses down, didn't I? Where did I put my glasses? I don't know. So you've got introduction, a little hello. Upload your photos to Pattern Club. An interview with Sew Me Sunshine, who is first guest for the pattern club. Wednesdays we wear pink. Hayley's little ink, so I guess that's things she likes. Perfect Sewing Companions. Maker of the Month. What they did with last month's fabric. Oh yeah, so they've made a bag out of the heart fabric and made a dress out of the other fabric. So gifts and what other people have made with previous boxes. Oh yeah. Right, so what's in the box? I got the luxury box, and oh, it's viscose, 3.5 meters of grand finale viscose, 1 meter of poly cotton, so that's the heart, Lise Taylor culotte pattern. It looked like a skirt. 100 meters of Gutterman thread, bubble tea face mask, tailor's chalk, magazine, and the popcorn shed toasted marshmallow popcorn. And then you get a little page where you can write down what you need to, what your pattern is and what you need to make it, and size and alterations and any notes. So this was box number 75, but it was my first one. But yeah, it was really lovely, so I think I might get that again. Let's just have another look at the pattern. It definitely looks like a skirt rather than culottes. I think I'd probably make this version here. I just hope it's the right side. Oh, that's novel. It opens up with a little Velcro dot. There's a nice booklet of the pattern instructions. And one size English and one size French. Let's see if it does do it in inches. Oh. There we go. It goes up to a 52 hip. So I'm a 56 hip. So it's slightly too small for me. I might see if my daughter likes that pattern or someone I know likes the pattern and make it for them. But I do like how this pattern opens up. It's lovely. So yeah, I like that box. So for my first one, I was a bit anxious about what it would be like and what the pattern would be and if it'd be something that I would wear. I could save it and see if I lose a few more inches off my hips and make the skirt. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to the popcorn. Okay, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon with another video about what I've been making and what I plan to make. Take care everyone, and see you soon. Bye.